Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn how can we install Metasploitable on our VirtualBox. Now what is Metasploitable? Basically it is an internally vulnerable, you can say Linux machine which is designed to take common vulnerability. Now as a ethical hacker and a beginner, we always want to find some sources where we can test and learn our ethical hacking skills. So Metasploitable is just made for this. Now it is a kind of a VirtualBox machine, so we have to install it. And I'll be using VirtualBox here. We have installed Kali Linux. Similarly, we will install Metasploitable. Then we will connect both Kali Linux and Metasploitable in the next tutorial and learn some of the most common hacking skills. Okay, so let's get started. Boom, Metasploitable 2. Okay, hit enter, and here you will see the source host page. Simply click on this link, and here it says Metasploitable Linux 2.0.0 zip. You have to download this, so simply you have to click on this download latest version, and your download will start automatically. So I have already downloaded it. I'll just cancel this particular download. Here you can see I have downloaded this particular file, Metasploitable Linux 2.0.0, and I have also extracted it here inside this folder. Once you extract it, you will see 5 files like this. And what we have to do, once you download and extract it, go to your VirtualBox manager. Here click on new, and here type Metasploitable. You can give this any name. Okay, I'm just giving it as Metasploitable. Here we will give it as select type as other. Then so select type as Linux, and subtype will be just keep it Oracle Linux, and it 64-bit. Then we'll expand this one. Just keep it like this. Here hardware will be same and hard disk will be same. So here what you have to do, we have to click on this second option, use an existing virtual hard disk file, and here we have to click on this icon. We have to click on add, and we'll go to our download folder where we have extracted it. So inside CES Metasploitable 2, I'll select this file .vmdk metasploitable.vmdk, click on open, and we click on choose, and then we can just click on finish. Okay, so now it's installed. Then what we can do, we can simply click on start and wait for it to get started. So it installed successfully. Here we have to type ID and password. The ID is MSF admin. Just see MSF admin. Hit enter. The password is also MSF admin. Okay, so we have came inside the Metasploitable.